Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. We have a great song here from FOY VANCE. This one is called Guiding Lights. And within this song, it's very celebrity dense here. We have this song featuring Ed Sheeran. It's Elton John as well, Keith Urban, and we have Anna Sophia Robb as well, the actor, in the music video. So a great song here, great collab. It's anniversary edition here from FOY VANCE, Guiding Light. Let's take a look at this one. We have the capo set here on the first fret, all right? With this, we have only 3 different chords. So we're gonna take a look at them first. We have the F, that's a bar chord. You place the bar on the first fret, you bar all strings there, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. We have the C. That is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And we have finally the G. That is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Alright, so we're gonna take a look at the strumming pattern. We are playing the F as the first chord, so grab that one. And one round that I suggest you play for this one is a long one. It will be down, up, clap, up, down, up. Okay, so I'm gonna play down, up, and then comes the clap, and then up, down, up. So basically, in your head, you can think 4 down ups, so down up times 4, but the 3rd down here will be replaced with a clap instead. So down, up, the 3rd down, clap, up, and then finally 4th down, up. So down, up, clap, up, down, up. That is one round. Okay, so the verse play is F, 4 string rounds, C, 4, G, 4, and back to C4. Okay, so that is how I play the verse, and it goes pretty much like this. Then C4, and G4. And back to C4. All right, that is the verse play, and then we have the chorus play when I need to get home. That's where we are in the lyrics, and you're gonna have the same chord progression here, F, C, G, and C, but now instead of playing 4 string rounds per chord, you're gonna take it down to only 2 per chord. So F2, C2, G2, and C2, like this. So we only have these 2 different parts here in the song, the verse and the chorus play. Same chord progression. In the verse, you play 4 string rounds per chord, and in the chorus 2. And that's it, my friends. FOY VANCE, all the famous boys and girls in the background there, Guiding Lights. So give it a try. Nice song to practice on guitar. Pretty guitar friendly with easy chords and 1 single strumming pattern. So I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please let me know and support me here. Subscribe and hit that like button. Until next time, guys, play tuned.